beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. On this lesson on this channel, we learn how to speak Igbo fluently. We don't judge. Please, if you're clicking on this video for the first time, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, we teach how to speak Igbo. We also try to bring in other things in between so that not every time you see my video you're like, this Igbo teacher has come again. So because of that, in between I try to bring in other vibes so that everyone will be, chilling and relaxing while you learn Igbo language on this channel as well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be, you might be asking probably why am I wearing the same clothes. This is because I am filming this video almost the same time on the same day. Yes, and why would I want to start changing clothes up and down? Like, I don't even have strength for that. And I would have made it a one video, but I know that one being, I don't have that patience to, so it's there to cut the videos. So the other one, you can see it already. I don't know which of the videos are coming up first. Places in Igbo language that you already know, that you don't know in English, or you don't know what it's called in Igbo language as well. So I'd already done that video. I think it has to go up before this, or this will go up before that one. I don't know in particular. But in today's video, we're going to be learning sentences in daily life. These are the sentences we use more often in Igbo language. So we're going to be learning sentences we use in daily life in Igbo language. Of course, I'm going to say it in Igbo. I'm also going to say what it means in English. So without further ado, let's dive into the video, okay? So like I said, we're going to be learning 10 sentences used in daily life in Igbo language. And number one is Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? Ihotaram. Do you understand me? Guys, please watch my lips. Watch my lips so you can synchronize. See, you guys, I don't understand you people, because when you're watching TikTok video, when you're doing all those, when you're trying to imitate those TikTok videos, you say everything they are saying word by word. But when it's time to learn Igbo, your lips will not sync again. Look here, so your lips can sync the same way it sync when you're doing TikTok video. Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? You're talking to someone and you ask the person, do you understand me? After a long talk, and the person is looking at you like this. You say, do you understand me? Ihotaram. 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 Do you understand me? Ihotaram. Do you understand me? Just relax. We're going to take this lesson very slowly. And in today, before you leave this video today, you start speaking Igbo. And the next one here is Anama atu anya. Anam atu anya. Anam atu anya. I hope so. I hope so. Anam atu anya. Most times we use this word whenever, most of the times, you're talking to someone or you're expecting someone. Say Anam atu anya. I hope so. Anam atu anya again. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Yes, Anam atu anya. I hope so. Maybe you took an exam and the result is not yet out. You're hoping, right? You're hoping that the result will come out next week or next 2 weeks. So you say Anam atu anya. I hope so. The person tells you, your mom tells you, oh yes, Choma, I heard your result is coming out next week. You say Anam atu anya. I hope so. Anam atu anya. I hope so. Biko bia ozugbo I nwere ike. 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 You can see it. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Biko bịa ozugbo ị nwere ike. 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 Please come as soon as possible. Biko bịa ozugbo ị nwere ike. Biko bịa ozugbo ị nwere ike. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? 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 What do you want? Someone comes to your house, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You meet somebody at work, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You meet somebody in the school, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? You're selling something and somebody comes into the shop, kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? We basically use it all the time. Kedu ife ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Someone knocks on the door. Okay, welcome. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? What do you want? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Have a good trip. 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 Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I say. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I say. You're instructing your junior brother, your junior sister to do what you said. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. Mee ife or ihe dialect, it doesn't matter. Mee ihe m na-ekwu. Do as I said. I wetere ya. I wetere ya. Did you get it? I wetere ya. I wetere ya. I wetera ya. I wetere ya. I wetera ya. I wetere ya. I wetara ya. I wetara ya. I wetara ya. It means basically the same thing. I wetara ya. Did you get it? Igbo is very simple. Just look at the way I wrote it and pronounce it that way. There is no putting it I wetara ya. Period. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Somebody says something you don't agree. Ekwetaghị. Somebody tells you something, you share something not equal. Ekwetaghị. You have to reshare it. Somebody tells you something that you know that you did not do. Ekwetaghị. I did not agree. I didn't do it. Somebody does something that is unspeakable. Ekwetaghị. You can't believe it. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. It's actually a one word. Ekwetaghị. Ekwetaghị. I don't agree. Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? What did you say? 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 Echegbukwala onwe gị. Echegbukwala onwe gị. Don't worry. 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 So guys, this brings us to the end of this video today. Hope, like I said it before you leave this channel today, you will learn how to speak Igbo. These are Igbos that are used daily life Igbo speaking words. Learn it. Save this video in your watch letter. Visit it. Even I brought 10 of them so that I don't overwhelm you. I could have done 20 of them, but I said let me just break it down. I brought 10 of them. Language is bit by bit. You can't force language into someone's head. It's bit by bit. That is why I brought a bit of this. These are just 10. We have many of them, but these are the most important ones. We use it all the time in Igbo language. 10 daily Igbo speaking words. Please save your watch letter, visit it, and trust me, like I said, visit, play, listen. You mustn't watch my face. You can just put the earpiece in your ear, listen to what I'm saying, washing the plates, doing the dishes, cleaning the house, and other house things you think you might be doing. And thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please do so. If you've watched to this point, you have not subscribed. No, it's not allowed. Please do so. I have other interesting videos down. You can click, you can watch, you can share, you can invite your friends, they can subscribe, and let's go to this channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, guys. The subscription is going very slow. Please, guys, support me. Let's go to this channel and have a wonderful day. Bye.